Meet Jonathan. He's just any old average high school student. Jonathan, let's call him John, hates homework. He often finds that going over and checking homework wastes precious class time, slowing his progress in learning. He often cannot ask questions because there's no time or he's too embarrassed. Problem is, the final exam is approaching and he's falling behind. As poor John tries desperately to prepare for his final, he finds that some of his assignments have been lost or illegible due to smudging, tears, and tears. John curses his luck, but in reality, this is a problem faced by many students in not only his school, not only in his city, but throughout the entire country. That's where Homeworker Helper comes in. It provides students and teachers with a solution to many of the problems that they face. So now let's get back to John, but this time around, he'll have this new revolutionary program. John, smart kid he is taking calculus. After the lesson on using the product rule to solve for derivatives, John's teacher digitizes the worksheet and sends it off to all his students through the new app. John opens up this app and the assignment for tonight. As he finishes each question, he uses his device to show work. As he completes each problem, the app checks over his answers and lets him know if he is right or not. If it's right, he'll get a reassuring ding and can move on to the next problem. Perhaps John wasn't so lucky. Let's say he got the answer wrong. He could either try it again, or he could send off his work as a question. This question would then be posted to a forum that the other students and the teacher could browse, automatically attaching his work. Other students can then help answer questions by posting a response. These answers will try to explain to the student how they completed the question. These answers can be edited to improve their content or grammar. In addition, these answers can be voted either up or down, allowing the best answers to rise to the top of the screen. Upvotes will provide positive reputation points, while downvotes will provide negative reputation. Questions can also be voted up. Students with similar problems can vote questions up, helping to show the teacher which concepts his classes are having the most trouble with. The teacher can then prepare for these specific questions beforehand. The reputation factor also provides motivation for participation, as the teacher can use reputation as a way of assessing student performance. So what now? After using Homework Helper, John no longer hates homework as much, but once again, John's calculus final exam is rolling around. This time, John can look over previous questions in order to help review certain concepts, and there's no chance of losing his work. It's all archived on the application, along with the work of other students, so John can access different ways of solving problems. Ultimately, the app will provide more class time for students, hot topics for teachers, and homework tutoring. It transforms homework into an excellent review tool. So now, Johnny Boy can finish his homework faster and spend more time chilling with the boys. Stay classy, John.